What's up, YouTube? It's Juice back in with another video, and today we are working on the SL. It's been having some electrical issues where the car would start, run and drive, but as soon as you turn the car off, it wouldn't start back up. I would believe it's this fuse right here. So I already started replacing the fuse. This is the new fuse. This is 100 amp fuse. I'm about to start putting all the parts back. To get to this fuse, you have to remove to get to the fuse, you got to remove this subwoofer and this like foot shield. The foot shield actually sits in front of the subwoofer. Yo, so it's the next day and the car did not start. We replaced the fuse, and after replacing the fuse on the dash, it said the electrical consumer light went off, but I still had a red battery light, and that has to mean that it was actually the alternator. So I went ahead and inspected the alternator and found out that this might be my common problem, is the voltage regulator. This is an old one and this is a new one. You can tell that the connectors, oh shit, we can tell the connectors are kind of worn, where it holds in where the bolt is worn out too, so it's probably wasn't getting good connection inside the alternator, causing it not to start. This is a battery control module or battery stabilizer. It controls both the voltage between the rear and the starter battery. Sadly, this part is discontinued, so I have to get it rebuilt. So our battery control module is back from the repair shop, and before we install the part, we gotta check the fuses to see if they're blown. Because if we put the part in, we would just be repeating the same cycle. As you can still see, there's still a red battery light on the car. And after doing my research on the red battery light, I found out that you can't just reset this with any scan tool. You need a Mercedes scan tool to reset the light. But after replacing the battery, starter battery, and the rear battery, and the battery control module, the car is now holding voltage. Before, the car failed to hold voltage, so the next day the car will be dead. And after replacing the battery control module, its job is to stabilize voltage between the starter, the rear battery, and all the electronics in the car, because this car consumes tons of electricity.